Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was chosen for one of the greatest tests of faith. In his dream, he saw a command from Allah to sacrifice his beloved son, Ismail. With a trembling heart, but unwavering faith, he spoke to his son, "O my son, I have seen in my dream that I must sacrifice you. What is your view?" The young Ismail replied with calm submission, "Father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, God willing, among the patient." Together, they walked towards the place of sacrifice. Ibrahim laid his son down, covering his eyes, preparing to fulfill the divine command. But at that very moment, the mercy of Allah descended. Ismail was spared, and a ram was given in his place. This moment of sacrifice became an eternal symbol of faith, obedience, and devotion, a lesson for all generations to come.
If you want to get a religious video, you must subscribe to Play the Bell icon.